Hey, I'm Gianni from Giovanni.com, teaching you how to make money online and live the laptop lifestyle. So in this video, I will teach you about solo hats. Solo hats are the fastest way, one of the fastest way to build your email list. So in this video, I'll teach you how to use this solo hat, how to find the vendors of this solo hat. So let's go to the video, and remember to subscribe to the channel and to go to johnvianney.com, link in the description, in order to find the step-by-step coaching on how to make money online promoting other people products, which is called affiliate marketing. And of course you have to build a list for using affiliate marketing, and in this video I will teach you how to build a list using solo hats. Let's go to the video.
Hello, welcome to this course. In this course, I'm going to be talking about solo ads, which in my opinion is one of the fastest ways to build your list. And if you're starting out and you got a small budget, that works fine as well, because you could start from as little as $10 to $20 and eventually work yourself up to spending hundreds of dollars per day or week on solo ads. But if you're just starting out and you got a low budget, you just spend a few dollars here and there to gradually build your list. And as you grow your income, you can just basically leverage or bootstrap and just invest more into buying more solo ads. Okay, so in the next few videos, I'm going to be sharing with you where to find solo ad vendors for both the internet marketing niche and also in niches outside of the internet marketing niche. And I'll also provide with you in the last video ways on how to get the most out of your solo ads. In this video, I just want to talk about what solo ads are. Solo ads are an agreement between two people. Let's just call them, for this example, person A and person B. Person B would be paying person A to send out an offer to their subscribers. Now, usually this offer that they send out is free, although sometimes, solo ad vendors will send out paid offers or even affiliate offers, but usually it is for a free offer. Okay, and person B will be paying person A based on the number of clicks that person A can provide. Usually, it could range anywhere from 50 clicks to over 1,000 clicks. In this video, I want to share with you a resource for where you can buy and sell solo ads if you are in the internet marketing niche. Okay, and this site is safeswaps.com. You just type in safe/swaps.com, and on this site you could also do ad swaps. Okay, what I like about this site is that you can rate each member. So if you had a bad experience, you could mark it as a bad or mark it as a poor experience, and you can also type in comments and type about your experience with that member. And there's also a forum on here if you want to share tips or have questions, and they also have a very good help desk. Okay, so like I said, this is predominantly for the internet marketing niche, but they are slowly starting to tailor towards other niches. But for right now, it's mainly the internet marketing niche. In this video, I want to talk about how to find solo ads in other niches outside of the internet marketing niche, because it is harder to find people to buy solo ads from if you're outside of the internet marketing niche. So one of the best ways to do it is just go to Google and type in your niche plus free report. For example, if you want to buy a solo ad in the golfing niche, you would just type in, say, golf free report. And I'll just go on the first link here. Okay, and down here it says get free report now. So basically the reason you're doing this, if you type in free report, you know that you're going to find people that are giving away something to build a list. So as you can see, this guy here has an opt-in form. Okay, so this is one of the best ways to find solo ad or people that are you can possibly buy solo ads from in niches outside of the internet marketing niche. Now, you may have to dig a little harder than internet marketing niche, meaning that you will have to try several times. You'll have to contact a lot of people to find people that are willing to buy or sell solo ads to you. And some of these people may not know what a solo ad is, so you may have to explain to them that you want to pay them to send an offer to their list. And if you want to contact them, there's usually a contact button somewhere at the bottom of their websites. Now, other ways you can find solo ads in other niches is by going to ClickBank right here. I've already in the marketplace, but just go to clickbank.com. Okay, and you would just click on marketplace link, and so basically you would just go to find products and just type in your niche. So golfing, I would just type in golf, for example, and I have about 249 results here. So, and lastly, another place you can find solo ads are by just going to the Warrior Forum and just posting an ad in there saying that you want to buy solo ads. Now that you know where to find solo ad sources, let me just share with you a couple of tips on how to get the most out of your solo ads. Okay. Now, first tip is to try to make the solo ad vendor work for your clicks without them knowing. And so, for example, what I mean by that is on the swipe that I give to the solo ad vendor that they're gonna email to their list, I would type in, instead of saying click here or click here to get your free report or free product, I would, instead of saying click here, I would say the words opt in here to get your free report, or opt in here and find out how. Okay, because what you're doing by that is by doing that is that you're eliminating people that just think they're getting something free. Okay, people that are going to click on your link know that they have to opt in. So basically, you're getting more value out of your clicks by getting people that know that they have to opt into something. Because if people, there's people out there that'll see the words click here just to get your free thing, and they think that they're just going to be led to a download page. So if they click and they're brought to your opt-in page, they might not opt in. So that's a wasted click right there. Okay, so by doing this, you're getting more value out of your clicks by getting people that understand that they have to opt in to get your free product. The second tip that I'd like to share with you is when you first buy a solo ad from somebody, make sure that you only buy a small amount from them. For example, if they're offering 100 clicks to 1,000 clicks, make sure you buy the option that is just for 100 clicks or even 50 clicks, and see how that goes. And if you're happy with the results, you can buy from them a month from now and start buying from them every month. Or you could even wait a little longer than a month to buy from them, just so you give them enough time to get new subscribers to their list.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you wanted to go more in depth and learn the step-by-step process on how to make money online, live the laptop lifestyle using affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products, go to johnvianney.com, link in the description, submit your name and email, and get this step-by-step coaching. Let's go to the next video and see you in the next video, and remember to subscribe to the channel.